How to check sent request on Instagram. First of all, head over to your application Instagram. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and then tap on this three line at the top right corner. Head over to your activity. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll get to see the option of download your information. Head over to it. Now tap on request a download. Click on select types of information. It will land you on this interface. Scroll down and you'll get to see the option of followers and following. Select that option. And then once again scroll down and you can also select the other activities option. Once you are done, tap on next. So right here you will be able to select the format, media quality and the date range of the information. Once you are done, tap on submit request. There you go, your request has been successfully sent. Now after a while you will receive one file on your email address and the file will include all of the requests that you have sent on Instagram. You can download that file and have access to it and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can check the sent request on Instagram. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.